case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a 1999 case that questioned the limits of federal environmental oversight, Harmon Industries, Inc., a Missouri-based assembly plant, grappled with both state and federal authorities over charges of improper waste disposal. Harmon had self-reported the issue and acted to clean up the site, but was still fined by the Environmental Protection Agency, EPA. This punishment, however, was deemed redundant by the district court, arguing that once a state has an approved hazardous waste program in place, the EPA cannot step in with its own punishment. Instead, the EPA is assigned a supervisory role, only intervening if the state's actions appear insufficient. This position was upheld by the United States Court of Appeals for the Eighth Circuit. The court also wrestled with the question of whether federal agencies, like the EPA, can be bound by prior state court judgments. The court ruled that they indeed could, explaining that under the Resource Conservation and Recovery Act, RCRA, Missouri was authorized to act in the EPA's stead. Therefore, previous judgments under that state authority must be respected. The case underscored the balance between state and federal powers, and the court's ruling may serve as a precedent for further cases on this issue. By upholding Harmon's defense against the EPA's charges, the legal interpretation fortifying the power and significance of state environmental programs was reaffirmed by the courts.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.